In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a new document in EasyBilling. Start on EasyBilling's main screen and look to the left for the Tools box. Choose the folder to create your new document. Click New Document icon in the toolbar, select a document type, like invoice, and the document window will open. The document window has several tabs. The first, Document Details, lets you enter basic info like document number, currency, date, payment and shipping terms, and customer details. The document number is auto-generated from a sequence in Settings, but can be changed if needed. Fill in the necessary fields as required. For some sections, select from a drop-down box. Or hit the Add button to input custom information. At the bottom, you can input billing and shipping details. To save time, quickly load customer info with a click from the customer list. Now, let's move on to the Line Item tab. Here, you can input product info by typing in the table directly, or you can load from the item list. The total amount will be calculated automatically. You can define discount, shipping, and tax information by selecting the corresponding checkboxes. Furthermore, you may add notes information into document, and also include signature boxes at the bottom of document if required. If you need to attach any photos or PDF files, you can do so in the corresponding tabs. After filling out the necessary details, use the toolbar icons to save your document. By clicking the preview icon, the document will be opened in a PDF reader. In Export menu, you may export the document into PDF, Excel or HTML format. EasyBilling not only lets you fill in documents manually but also import data from other documents, like moving details from a quote to an invoice. Just click the Generate From button and select the document you want. It's a fast and precise way to transfer information. You've successfully created a new document in EasyBilling, ready to preview, print, or export. Thanks for watching.